Good morning and Jai Hind children. We are discussing the chapter transportation of materials in plants and animals. And in previous class, I have explained you about the circulation of blood in human. Alright. And also the answers of oral questions second. And I hope that you understood those all topics. Now I am going to start today the next topic of the chapter, which is the part of transportation of material in animals. Alright. Children, the movement or transportation of materials in the body of animals occurs in two different times. The first one is the blood, who carry the important useful materials and transport it into the body, like it carry the nutrients, it carry the oxygen. After the utilization of the nutrients and the oxygen in our body tissues, some waste material also produced in the body. Okay, so waste materials are need to remove from the body time to time, otherwise they becomes poisonous for the body. So we cannot keep that waste material in the body for long time. It need to remove again and again. So we have one more system of transportation in which these harmful waste material is going to transported and finally get collected and thrown outside of the body, removed from the body. Get it? And this is known as excretion. So today we'll discuss about the topic excretion. Alright. So children, during life activities such as cellular respiration. Cellular respiration means that when the respiration process occurs in cells, there are two parts of respiration. One is the breathing, which occurs in the lungs, exchange of gases, and second part is cellular respiration, which occurs in the cells of our body, in which what happened? The oxygen which comes from the blood, through the blood, and the nutrients that comes also through the blood, they both are going to use to produce energy in the body cells. And this process, this part of respiration is known as cellular respiration. Yeah. So in cellular respiration, several chemical reactions takes place in the body. What happens in the body, especially in the cells? Many kind of chemical reaction occurs. Alright, and these are known as metabolism. What are known as metabolism? Metabolisms are those chemical reactions which occurs during the cellular respiration in the body. Okay, so such reactions are known as metabolism. Now these chemical reactions produce waste product. As you already have studied in your chemistry, during every chemical reaction, some products are going to form. Is it not? So out of that product, some are get used by us, which are because they are useful for us, and some products are not useful for us. So they are waste for our body. Alright. So just understood that during the metabolism means the chemical reaction in the cells in our body, number of chemical reactions takes place, and during that chemical reactions, some waste product produce. What produce? Some waste product produce. And these products are like carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is also a product which produced in cells, but carbon dioxide is a waste because our body cannot use it. Alright, so it need to remove out this product, this waste product. So carbon dioxide produce, water produce, and some salts, some kind of salts, and especially the salts are urea salts. Urea salts produced as a waste material. Clear? Understood? So these are the names of the waste products which are formed during the chemical reactions in the cells. Alright. At which time? At the time of cellular respiration. So carbon dioxide is one of the waste product. Water is also the waste product. Salts like urea salts and also uric acid. So these together are the waste products produced in our body during chemical reactions, and these all need to remove out from the body, because if they will be remain in the body for a long time, so what will happen? It becomes the poisonous for our body. It is harmful for our body. Get it? It create a lot of problem. It is responsible for creating that this appearance of the diseases and all. So that is why our body throw it, remove it. Clear now? So the accumulation of these all waste material beyond the level, there is a level. If they will be in limited level, low level, so there will be no harmful. But if they gets accumulated in the body beyond the level, excess than the level, then what will happen? They will be harmful to the body. And our excretory organs remove these all wastes. Excretory organs, as we have the digestive organs like stomach, like small intestine, large intestine and all, just like that our body have excretory organs like kidney. Okay, kidney is one of the very important organ of our body, and what function it plays? It plays to remove these all waste, filter these all waste from the body and help to remove. Clear? So kidney is one of the important excretory organ of our body in human beings. I am talking about human beings. Alright. So our excretory organs remove these all waste, and this process of removal of these all metabolic waste from the body is known as excretion. Clear? So just in one line you can define the term excretion. The process of removal of metabolic waste from the body is known as excretion. Alright? Now, all the animals, it may be the unicellular animals, it may be the multicellular animals, including human beings, in these all animals excretion process takes place, because in everyone's body some waste material produce and they need to remove it. Okay, so first of all we'll discuss about the excretion in animals like unicellular. So, children, in lower kind of animals, lower animal means smaller organisms. Smaller animals are simple kind of animals. Say that unicellular mainly. Amoeba, paramecium, hydra, sponges. These are some simple kind of animals. That is why they are termed as lower animals. Clear? Why they are termed as lower animals? Because they have simple body design. They does not have complex body design like us. Clear? So in lower animals like amoeba, paramecium, hydra and sponges, there are no excretory organs present in the body. They don't have any special kind of excretory organ like us. And the waste product like ammonia, which are excreted by the process of diffusion through the body surface. Clear? So in lower animals, what is the waste product produced in the body? Ammonia is the waste material produced in their body. Clear? And this is going to remove out from the body, not with the help of any excretory organ like we have, as their body design is very simple and they are found in water, they are aquatic animals. So by the process of diffusion, this waste material is going to remove out from the body. Remember that we have discussed about the process of diffusion and osmosis. Is it now? In previous topic. So here the same concept of diffusion is there. Diffusion means what? If a material is going to move on the basis of their concentration, and this movement will occur from higher concentration to lower concentration. So suppose if this is the body of amoeba, after the process of digestion, okay, cellular respiration, the waste material is going to produce in the form of ammonia. So this ammonia will get accumulated, collected in the body. So what happened? The concentration of ammonia get increased inside the body as compared to outside water. Outside the body, water is there, and in that water the amount of ammonia, the concentration of ammonia is less, and inside it get increased due to the cellular respiration. So the process of diffusion occurs. Highly concentrated substance move out. Okay. So inside the body, concentration of ammonia higher. Outside the body, concentration of ammonia is lower. So that is why they move from this body surface. From this surface, it gets simply diffused without the help of any special kind of organs. Clear? So these animals don't have any excretory organ. Simply the waste material, which is ammonia, is going to diffuse from the body surface. Alright? Understood? But this diffusion not occurs in our body because we have a well developed, very complex body design, and we are also not the aquatic organisms. Get it now? So they occur only in lower animals, simple kind of organism or simple animals. Now in large animals or complex animals, what happened? They have special organs for excretion. Clear? Like we human beings. So we will discuss in detail the excretion in humans. Clear? Excretion in humans. Children, excretion in humans is carried out mainly by the system of our body, and the name of that system is urinary system. Like for digestion of the food, we have a system in the body that is known as digestive system. Just like that, for removal of the waste from the body, okay, by the process of excretion, we have also a system, another system in the body, and the name of that system is urinary system. Alright? As the different systems of our body have different kind of organs. Is it? Remember that digestive system have the organs, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. These all organs get together to form the digestive system. Just like that in respiratory system, our trachea, our lungs, they all together forms the respiratory system. So just like that, urinary system also composed of some organs. Okay, and the name of those organs, the very important organ is kidney. Okay, except the kidney, we have a pair of ureters and we have urinary bladder and urethra. So these are the organs which involve in which system of our body? Urinary system of our body. Okay, so our urinary system is composed of these four different organs. diagram you can easily understood about this urinary system, and the diagram is also given in your book. So just go through that diagram. I'm going to draw it to make it clear about this urinary system. So look at the diagram. Here, these two bean-shaped cells, bean-shaped structures are known as kidneys, which are an important organ of urinary system. These two tube-like structures are actually the blood vessels. Okay, these two are blood vessels who is going to carry the blood to the kidney. Here, so you can just use to draw the lines to indicate the two different kind of blood vessels. We have two different kind of blood vessels, the artery and vein. So the one is here artery and another is vein. Alright, here say that this is the artery and this one is vein. These two are kidneys. Now, you can see that both the kidneys are having a long tubes, pipe-like structure, and they both are going to connect with this muscular bag-like structure. So these two pipe-like structures are known as ureters, and this muscular bag-like structure is urinary bladder, and this opening through which the waste is going to remove is urethra. Clear, children? This is the urinary system in humans. A pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, a single urinary bladder, and a single urethra. These blood vessels carry the blood in which the wastes are present. Waste materials which I have noted down there. Uric acid and that salts of urea, carbon dioxide, water. They all comes from the cells after the metabolic reaction through the blood, and blood with those all impurities, those all waste enters in the kidney. Here, and in the kidneys, the filtration process is going to occur. Just like that, as we are preparing the tea, so after preparing the tea, to remove the tea leaves from the tea, to remove that parts of ginger if we have kept there. What we are going to do? We are going to filter it. Is it now? We are going to filter it. So just like that, the blood which have lot of impurities or lot of waste materials, carbon dioxide, excess water, and uric acid and all, they are going to filter here. So kidneys have this special structure in them. Inside the kidney, a lot of cells are there which are specialized to filter the blood. And after filtration, what happens? Waste gets separated and the blood without the waste again goes back into the heart. Clear? By this blood vessel. Understood, man? So, our kidneys are located where in the body? On each side of our backbone, just above the waist. So just above the waist on both the sides, we have a pair of kidney at the back, and their main function is to filter waste from the blood. And you can use a filter paper to separate solid impurities from a solution, as you have done in your practicals. Okay, for separating the impurities, we use the filter paper. So it is just like that here also. Okay, so the kidneys work in the same way, and the kidney consists of a large number of coiled tubes which are known as nephrons. What they are known as? Nephrons. So every kidney, both the kidney have large number of thousands, millions of such kind of structure. Coiled tube-like small structures, and these structures are known as nephrons. So you can say that our kidney is made up of what? Nephrons. When millions of nephrons get together to form the kidney. Clear about the nephrons? And each kidney contains about 1 million of nephron. About. Okay, so that is why the process of filtration is going to take place continuously in the body. And these nephrons are the main tiny filtering units of the kidney. Actually, the nephrons are the filtering unit. Inside the kidney, nephron is there, and nephron is going to filter out the waste material. Okay, so here in the book, the diagram of a single nephron is also given. You can go through that, the diagram of a single nephron, how a single nephron looks like. This is the structure of a single nephron, and such kind of a million of nephron is present in each kidney. Alright, and actually they are going to do the work of filtration of waste material from our blood. Clear, everyone? Now just look at the functioning of this one. When the blood with impurity, waste material enters here, so each blood vessel goes in this bowl-like structure. How this structure looks like? A bowl-shaped structure. So this blood vessel is going to divide in many capillaries, very fine capillaries. And you know very well, the exchange of materials takes place only at the capillary. It does not take place either in artery or vein. It only takes at the capillaries. So here, from the capillary, all the waste material, uric acid, that urea, that excess water, and carbon dioxide and all, they all are going to what? Remove. Get it? And get collected here. And from the here, it gets diffused by the process of diffusion and enters in this structure of nephron, and then it moves through this wide tube-like structure. The waste material is going to move through it. Alright. Now, there is an importance of this highly coiled structure. When this filtration is going to occur in the nephrons, so along with the waste material, the excess water is also going to diffuse out, going to remove. Okay, and some useful material, along with the waste material, some useful material also get diffused. Get it? So what happened? Our body need back those useful material, because we only want to throw which kind of material? Waste material, not the useful material. So to get back the useful material and excess water back into the blood from these highly coiled structure, again the process of what happened? Diffusion occurs. But this time the diffusion of only useful material will occur. Like the water, like that proteins and some nutrients which get filtered here along with the waste material. So from this tube, the useful material absorbed back. So that is why reabsorption takes place. One, it gets absorbed here, and second, again it gets reabsorbed back into the blood. And now only the waste reaches to this tube, and this tube gets connected with many nephrons. This is one of the nephron. Again another nephron, again another nephron. So it's just like the structure of tree, branches of tree. And then this main branch carry the waste material from different nephrons and goes where? In this ureter. And through the ureters, those all waste materials finally going to collect in this muscular bag-like structure, that is urinary bladder. And from the urinary bladder, time to time, it gets removed out from the body through the urethra. Clear? So this is the complete functioning of the kidney and the nephron which is present in the kidney. Clear everyone? Understood the functioning? How the waste material is going to filter out? Through the kidney which have the nephrons. Clear? So, as the nephrons are tiny filtering units of the kidney, they filter out excess water, salt and urea from the blood as it passes through them. And the clean blood leaves the kidney and continues its circulation in the body. The clean blood. Clean blood means here, the blood without the waste. Okay. That is the clean blood, and that clean blood flows, circulate again in our body. And the waste removed by the kidney form what? It form urine. So all the waste which get collected here, actually they have collected here in the form of urine. Okay. So all the waste collected in the form of urine in our body, and it passes from the kidney through two tubes, that is ureters, which is called ureters, into an elastic sac-like structure which is called urinary bladder. And the bladder stores the urine until it is excreted from the body through the urethra. Alright? Understood the functioning, the process? Now, one more thing you must have to know here. A healthy human being passes out about 1.5 to 2.5 liters of urine every day. A healthy person, a healthy adult person passes about how much? 1.5 to 2.5 per day, every day. Okay, and the kidneys must function properly to keep the body healthy. If we want to keep our body healthy, if we want to remove these waste material time to time continuously, so what is necessary? The function of kidneys are necessary. So our kidneys must function properly all the time. Otherwise, what can happen? The waste will not get separated, not filtered out properly. It get collected in the body and create a lot of problem for our body. Okay? Understood everyone? So this is about the transportation of waste material in our body. So I hope that you understood today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day, children.